Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to access Steam voice chat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Steam application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Steam if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the store, we have the library, community, and your profile. Also in the middle of the screen, we have your bar here. We can check out your store, new and noteworthy categories, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and access Steam voice chat. So launch the Steam client on your computer and click on friends icon in the bottom right corner of the Steam client. Then right click on your friend's name and select start voice chat from the context menu. Alternatively, you can click on the microphone icon in the chat window to start a voice chat. Ensure your microphone is properly configured in the Steam settings, under settings and then voice. Some games or users prefer using a push to talk feature for voice chat, which can be enabled in the game settings or Steam voice settings. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.